Hi everyone, I am Yong Ziyan, a third-year Diploma in Chemical Engineering student from University Technology Malaysia. I am here to share about some separation processes. First, I would like to talk about the adsorption process. Adsorption is a mass transfer process in which the vapor solute air in a gas mixture is adsorbed by means of a liquid in which the solute is more or less soluble. The gas mixture consists mainly of inert gas and the solute. The liquid is also immiscible in the gas phase. The applications of this process are the absorption of the solute ammonia from an air-ammonia mixture by water, and the hydrogen sulfide is removed from hydrocarbon gases by washing with alkaline solution amine. Now let us go into the various types of tray, which are the sieve tray and also the warp tray. In the sieve tray, the vapor bubbles up through simple holes in the tray through the flowing liquid. The liquid is maintained on the tray surface and prevented from flowing down through the holes by the kinetic energy of the gas or vapor. Warp tray is a modification of the sieve tray which consists of openings in the tray and a leaf warp cover for each opening, providing a variable open area which is varied by the vapor flow inhibiting leakage of liquid down the opening at low vapor rates. It can operate at a greater flow rate than the sieve tray with a cost of only about 20% higher than a sieve tray. Pack tower is a unit operation of adsorption process. It is used for continuous counter-current contacting of gas and liquid. The entering gas enters the distributing space below the pack section and rises upward through the openings in the packing and contacts the descending liquid flowing through the same openings. The function of packing is to provide large intimate areas between liquids and gas. There are a few types of packing, which are ratchet ring, lacing ring, belt saddles, and pole rings. Next is liquid-liquid extraction. It can also called as solvent extraction. It is a method of separating liquid mixtures feed which consists of two or more components, solid liquid and a carrier liquid, with the usage of a solvent to achieve transfer of solute from feed to solvent. At the end of LLE process, there will be two types of phases formed, which are extract and raffinate. Extract contains both of solute and solvent, while raffinate contains feed residues and a little of solute left in it. The applications of LLE are the lube oil extraction, copper extraction, and refining of oils and fats. There are three stages in LLE. First, bringing the feed mixtures and the solvent into intimate contact by dispersing one phase into the other extract. Second, separations of the extract and raffinate phases that have different densities. Third, removal and recovery of the solute from extract phase while solvents from raffinate phase. The first equipment of LLE is the spread extraction towers. There is a counter current flow between light liquid and heavy liquid. Light liquid enters the column at the bottom and exits at the top tower, while heavy liquid enters at the top and exits at the bottom of the tower. An important apparatus in a tower is the nozzle, which is used to disperse the light and the heavy phases to the chamber. Packed extraction towers is also one of the equipments of LLE. It is modified from spread extraction tower with packing and is operating similar with adsorption pack tower. The packing in the tower is used to increase the interfacial areas and mass transfer rate. The third equipment of LLE is the mixer settler. Mixer settler device consists of two parts, which are mixer and settler. Mixers for intimately contacting the two liquid phases using an agitator. Settlers for mechanical separations of mixture into extract and raffinate by gravitational force. This operation may be continuous or batch-wise. The last separation process that I want to introduce is leaching. Leaching, also known as solid liquid extraction. It is a method of separating the soluble component solute from its solid mixture with the usage of the solvent in the form of liquid. Solvent is selectively dissolve the desired solute, while the remaining components from the solid mixture is insoluble and remain in the solid. The applications of leaching are the separations of sugars from sugar beets with hot water, extractions of oils from peanuts, soybeans, sunflower seeds, and cotton seeds, as well as leaching is used in the metallurgical industry. Three stages are involved in leaching. First, dissolving the soluble constituent. This is a process of mixing between the solid mixture and liquid solvent until the soluble constituent from the solid mixture dissolves in solvent. Second, separating the solutions from the insoluble solid residue. The solid contains the solute and the liquid solvent will flow countercurrently. At the end, the extracted solids as product obtained at one side and concentrated solution at the other side. Third, the solid residue is washed and two conditions acid. Either solute becomes the desired component or insoluble solid residue becomes the desired component. The first equipment of leaching is Bowman extractor. It is a moving bed leaching. It arranges as bucket elevator. The solid contains the solute filled in each bucket and each bucket will be sprayed with solvent. Almost all solute extracted from the solid as the bucket reach at the top of this equipment. The second is Pachuca tank. It is also known as agitated solid leaching. It is for leaching of fine solid. Stirrer and tube for compressed air placed at the center tube. It can be operated in series. Dawes calcifier is also one of the equipments of leaching. It is for leaching of coarse solids. Solids enters near the bottom of a sloping tank and then board upwards. Solvent enters at the top and flow downwards. The similarity of these three processes is to separate mixtures based on their different physical properties. Extractions of these three processes are done by using solvent. There are also some differences among these processes. The sorption is used to separate solute from gas mixture. It has large difference in density between the gas or vapor phase and the liquid phase. LLE is used to separate liquids mixture which includes two or more liquids components. It has more difference in density between the two phases. Leaching is used to separate solute from its solid mixture. The latest technologies of absorption is the membrane gas absorption and carbon dioxide absorption from greenhouse gases. For liquid-liquid extraction, the latest technology is the centrifugal partition chromatography (CPC), used for final purifications of molecules derived from natural extracts, synthetic mixtures, or biological matrices. Last but not least, the latest technology for leaching is the heap leaching, which is an industrial mining process used to extract precious metals. That's all that I want to share for today. Thank you.